Thank you. Thank you for the laughter, the tears, the Skype dates, the road trips, being my totally spies, the heartfelt conversations, challenging me to be the best I can be, and most of all, thank you for being you and letting me be me. My heart has been constantly overwhelmed with love and friendship the past 13 years. Thank you for sharing the happiest moments with me and genuinely showing compassion and empathy when listening to my saddest stories from wherever you may be. Thank you for making lotions at 3 in the morning, the bathroom talks, taking endless amounts of photos, and being my bookworm. Thank you for the Skype sessions, the dinner dates, movie days, and dancing in the kitchen. You've made a difference in my life. I hope you know that you are strong, you are beautiful, and you are loved. You two are not just my best friends, but my sisters. Thank you for always knowing who I am and reminding me of that when I forget. You've made a difference in my life. I love you, and I thank you.